Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So in this video I just found the very interesting project, about play to earn project, what to earn project, and finally slip to earn. If you slip in here, you will earn profit. The more you slip, the more you can earn profit. So the mobile application is available. I will show you how you can access to the mobile application. Even you will get one NFT as a free. NFT is equal to 1 Ethereum. So we will check the official website. The whole thing I will cover inside this video, how you can access to this project, even the roadmap, the technomics, each and everything I will cover in here. Also you can find the project inside some exchanges launchpad. So don't skip any part of the video, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about coin review, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, even about indicators and price action, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So gosleep is a new project inside this crypto market. If you slip, you can earn profit. The more you slip, the more you can mine the token. So there are two tokens, governance token and gaming token. Although in here you can find the NFT, the Web3, even their gaming. So we will check the mobile application. I will show you how you can sign up in here, even how to get a free NFT in order to start the mining. So your future depends on your dreams. So go slip, earn, repeat. So the mobile application is available. If you click on get gosleep application, you can download the mobile application from Play Store and App Store. Slip and earn. So in here you can see these are the NFTs of this project. So the NFTs, the price is equal to 1 Ethereum, but you are lucky because if you log in here, you will get one NFT as a free. So gosleep is a Web3 lifestyle application that combines GameFi, SocialFi and HealthFi, where players can earn rewards for leading a healthy lifestyle. So if you click on learn more, you will get more information about this project. You can create your own virtual bedroom, like create pillows, bed, carpets. Even you can access any form of NFT inside this project. You can buy and sell the NFT. In this case, you can make profit. Also, you can freely combine this NFTs to create your own bedroom and earn huge profit, like different things, chair, carpet, pillows, bed. So together, if you collect these things, you can earn more profit. As I told you, there are two tokens, gaming token NGT, unlimited, gam token, NFT repair, NFT upgrade, buy NFTs. So governance token, the symbol is ZZZ, which is the icon of sleeping. So 600 million the total supply, and then governance token, stacking. Also you can stack the NFT in order to earn profit. NFT upgrade, buy high rarity NFTs. If you check the roadmap of this project, so Q4 2022 already completed, Q1 2023 already completed, so Q2 to Q4 2023. Okay, official version, free combination and free trading of NFTs, NGT and ZZ the token. Okay, Q1 2024 to Q4 2024, the next year. So 100,000 total users, social gameplay, DAO community support. A simple roadmap in here, but you cannot find a special thing inside the roadmap. But the point is in here, this project comes with unique idea, slip to earn. You don't find any project like slip to earn. If you slip, you can earn profit. You can check the team members of this project. If you click on detail, you can get all the descriptions about the developer, whether the developer has experience or no. Make sure to check the team members, the investors of this project, and then the partners of this project. So if you click on a white paper, so you can check this is the white paper. Make sure to check the white paper yourself, because in here you can get all the detail about the project. If you're interested to invest in here, I'm not your financial advisor. Make sure to do your own research. In here, everything is available inside the website. Make sure to check it yourself before the investment. Like game and social, bedroom NFT, slip goal and reward, invite friend, slip and partner, slip group. So you can find all the details inside the white paper. Also, you can check the official Twitter account. Total followers are 92,000. Make sure to follow it and click on bell icon, because in here you will get all the detail about the project. As you can see, BitGet Launchpad, gosleep, grab a share of 1.8 million ZZZ token. So if you scroll down, you can get Bitscape wallet also in here. You can find inside the Launchpad. Okay, now let's check the mobile application, how you can access to the mobile application. Simply, if you go up in here, let me show you the home page. So if you click get gosleep application, okay, in here you can scan the QR code or simply go to your Play Store or App Store, download the mobile application, or you can click in here, simply click on this, so you can get the APK file. So once the download is completed, and then install the mobile application inside your mobile phone. Okay, this is the mobile application. So once you install the mobile application, make sure to log into your account. If you don't have account, sign up in here with your Gmail address. Okay, the first thing is in here. First, you need to use an NFT room. So as I told you, you will get one NFT as a free. Even the NFT price is equal to 1 Ethereum. So simply click on this option. Okay, then you need to set a sleep goal and fall asleep on time. Okay, click on this. Okay, I agree. Okay, allow this, and then once again, okay, and here you can see conjure. This is my you have learned how to use gosleep. You will be rewarded when you wake up next time. Okay, so close this one. You can see in here, this is sleep time, and this is top 2, even top 3. Okay, now click on next option. Income, top 1 player, you can see, and then top 2, top 3. Again, click on next option. Now click check each and everything in here, and then click on done option. So if you click on this time, 8-hour sleep goal, if you click on this, you can set your sleep goal. So most of the time I'm just my sleeping time is about 9 hours. So in here you can see, and then click on a correct option. Okay, you can reset your sleep goal every 2 days. Do you want to reset now? Click on confirm option. Okay, even you can check the record. So for now nothing is available because newly I just started this application. Okay, and then scroll down, Google data is in here. If you click on this, okay, sleep data is being compiled. Click on confirm option. Okay, moreover in here, if you click on this icon, okay, token Ethereum ZZZ, the governance token, and then the gaming token. Although you can deposit in here and then you can withdraw in here, you have the option. Okay, moreover, if you click on stack option, you can stack the token, whether stack the token in here or stack NFT. Moreover, if you click on room option and then click on NFT option, you can see I have one NFT in here in use. My NFT is in use. Also, you can upgrade your NFT, you can remove the NFT. Okay, moreover, you can click on ranking option in here. Okay, and then you can click on marketing. Also, if you check the ranking, so you can see this player have 200 ZZZ token. You can check in here also, and then click on market option. Check in here the NFT, the price is 0.89 Ethereum, 0.87 Ethereum, even 0.94 Ethereum. You can check the NFT in here. Moreover, if you click on wallet, so this is your token, this is your amount, and then the staking option, you can stake in here, even the holding. So for now I don't have any token in here. So this is the mobile application of gosleep Pro project. I hope you understand how to use the mobile application. I will give my referral link below in description, or I will give the link below in description. Make sure click on the link and then access this project. So this was all about gosleep, the new project, Sleep to Earn. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this project, a new idea in this crypto market. Share your idea in the comment section and then start with this project. Using this project is very free. You will get one NFT because, and then you will use the NFT in order to mine the token. Okay, I will give the link below in description. Make sure click on the link, start with the application, start the mining. In the future you will get huge profit. Although one token is equal to 0.025 cent. So still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.